Udio is back with a new update, which they are calling Styles, and it's available for all users. Once you log in, there's a flashy banner with a Start Exploring button on the home page. But you can also access Styles by clicking on the Styles tab on the left-hand side. Right at the top, there are several tabs. Clicking on the one titled Udio brings you to a page where Udio has created over 100 different styles to experiment with, and it's broken down into genres. Hover over and press play to preview it. You can favorite a style by clicking on the heart icon, and it might be hard to see, but just below it you can see a very faint microphone icon. This means that the style has singing in it, versus another one which you can see there is a guitar under the heart. What this means is that it's instrumental only. This should help save you some time and prevent you from having to play every single sample just to determine if there's singing in it or not. And because these styles are curated by Udio, they have a high quality sound to them. Let's create a song by using these various styles and blending them together. Later in the video, I'm going to show you how to take songs you've already created and blend them together, so stay tuned for that. To start using a style, click on the plus button. This will bring you to another screen. To bring in a style from Udio's predefined options, click on the Create Blend button, and you can also upload your own audio files and blend styles together from that, and I will show you how to do that later in the video as well. After clicking on Create Blend, there's also a button called Explore All Styles. Click on that. This will bring up a window which gets you back to the style screen. It's also movable, so if you need to move it around for whatever reason, you can do that. Click on the Udio button, find the style you want to use, click the plus button, and it'll add it side by side. Let me play you a sample of each first, and then I'll play you the blended song afterwards. So this is the first version. Here's the second one.
City lights blur as we run, hearts in sync, coming on.
Beneath the selected songs, there's a style blend slider. What this does is you can keep the blend balanced, or if you prefer having one style be more prominent in the final output of the song, you would move the slider to the left or to the right. I'll keep it balanced this time. The one thing I want to mention is just because you're selecting a style that has singing in it doesn't mean Udio will create the blend with a singer automatically. You still have to add lyrics to your song if you want singing in the final output. I'm gonna go ahead and add my lyrics. And what the singing style does is when you create the song, the output will sound exactly like the style that you've selected. And clicking towards the bottom, you still have all of the advanced options that Udio offers. I'm gonna turn this into a full song. And then when you're ready, click Create. Here's the blended song, take a listen.
Sun-kissed skin, ocean breeze in the air. We met on the boardwalk, no worries, no cares. You smile at the night like fireworks high. Dance until dawn under that endless sky. Heartbeats racing, waves crashing in. This moment's electric, let the fun begin. No strings attached, just you and me. In this summer heat, wild and free. Well, let's feel my sweet escape. Love is love, hearts wide awake. This is the morning's light. We'll be tight tonight.
Let me show you how to blend songs you've already created together. To do this, navigate to the Create tab, and you're going to want to make sure you select the Use a Style section. Next, find the song in your library that you want to blend together, and you can just simply click and drag it over. Click on Create Blend, and then find the other song and drag it over as well. Udio starts by wanting you to select roughly 30 seconds of the song, and you can take this slider in red and you can move it around to go ahead and press the play button and preview it. But don't worry about this, because if you go down to Advanced Options and you change the default to being a full song, in the output, Udio will create an actual full song for you. So here's a preview of each.
And I feel the rhythm tight.
Let music take over.
Elevate your night.
Just like it's forever.
Let the world fade to show. Deep within where the truth resides. You ease my mind with your love, it cannot know. Feeling the connection.
This time I'm going to increase the style slider to about 65% towards song B. Paste in my lyrics, click create. Here's what that song sounds like.
Yeah, baby, it's time to shine. From the basement to the big stage. Started in the shadows, strumming strings alone. Dreaming about the spotlight, calling it my own. Late nights, constant writing raps till dawn. Dodging all the daughters, keeping my groove on. From empty clubs to packed out crowds. Sweat on the mic.
Let me show you how to take your own audio files, upload them, and blend them with styles. Once again, head back to the Create tab and click on Use a Style. This time, click the big red button to upload an audio file from your computer. Here's a preview of that instrumental. Once again, click Create a Blend. And you can upload an additional audio file if you have that. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go to Explore All Styles. I'm going to go back to the Udio tab, and then I'm going to take a rock vocal, and then I'm going to add that one in. This time I'm going to take the slider and increase it towards song A. Here's the final output.
Wandering down the chains where the bridges hiss the sky. Big bands shouting out the hours as red buses roll by. From Piccadilly's Miss Secret to Soho's midnight call. The heartbeat of the city which got me in its thrall. Cobblestones whisper secret from 1,000 years ago. But the vibe is electric, feel the rhythm start to flow. The fog got rolling softly, with something at my name. On a wild sway, streets of London, dancing in the rain. Tracing through the alleys, feeling no pain. From hot pot to tower, we're rocking on London streets, where the dreamers belong, founders lying throwing.
You can also use Udio's predefined styles to create your own custom songs. I'm going to use this old school jazz style called Uptown, which sounds like it's kind of from the 1940s. Take a listen.
Oh, swing through the night, software lights so bright, colors racing by in this vibrant light. With every little turn, the rhythm.
Let's go ahead and add that in. I'm not going to create a blend. I'm not going to explore any styles. I'm just going to leave it completely as is. The only thing I will do is add in lyrics and then update the song to be a full one, and then click create. Here it is. Take a listen.
In the velvet flow of midnight's embrace, LA whispers secrets through the haze. Smoke curls like a lover's sigh from alleyways where shadows lie.
There are some other style options that you should be aware of. For example, if you wanted to save a style or you wanted to reuse it, what you can do is find the song in your library, click the three dots, hover over Style, select the option that makes the most sense for your use case. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out when new content goes live. And if you're looking to learn more about getting creative with AI tools, I have content popping up that you can click on right here.